Hi friends, so let's talk about the another movie learning. So the Mithun sir gave us a movie Wake Up Sid. So yes, Wake Up Sid is another one fun loving task, and we are just getting so many things from the Wake Up Sid that we already saw that movie, but now this is something different. When we watch any movie for the learning purpose, so you will see a very different things in all the situation and all the cinematographic that they giving us. So yes, so in this movie the first thing I learn is live an independent life. Yes, the live an independent life, why I'm saying, just because if you start living independent you will start thinking about yourself. Yes, when you not think about yourself you will not get anything about yourself. First you have to learn about yourself. You have to think that not your parents gives you everything, but what you can do for yourself. Yes, this is the first learning of the movie. And the second I learned from that movie is scoring good mark is not everything. So yes, if you are good in exams, if you topper of the college, so that doesn't mean you are very good in everything and you can handle all the situation in your life. So yes, as the Sid was not very good, he just failed in their exams. So but in that your scorecard is just a place of paper, piece of paper. All about matters after all is one skill and talent. So yes, how skilled you are, how talented you are, that's so matters a lot. So yeah, living in the moment. So third one is the living in the Sith enjoy every moment of his life. He hang out with their friends, go for parties, vacation. They enjoy a lot. What you learn from at your college or school life, you are not wasting your time. You are just gathering the memories. Says you are living the present. You are living that moment. So yeah, that create the memories in your mind. So definitely always living in the moment, and whatever is the moment you have to leave that moment. Don't think about the other thing, just leave it, go flow according to the flow of the water. Yes, and do everything which makes you happy instead of worrying about the future. Live in the present. This is the most important thing. And another thing I learned from that movie is your family is always the first love of yours. Yes, whatever you do with your father or mother, like you fought with them, you argue with them, as like said dude, where he fought with her father and living with a friend and whatever he did in the movie. But after all, your parents, when you need your parents, they are always with you, they always for you. So yeah, they family always cares about you, so you should respect them too. Yes, we learned that when Sid went to his dad to give him his first paycheck. So yes, that moment was so emotional. The failure is not about a bad thing. So yes, the another learning is the failure. So yes, Sid fails an exam, he broke his friendship, he fought with the parents and left his home. So many things happened in the movie. He was failed, but all these tough time life's lessons, he learned how to be independent. He learned how to cook, how to wash clothes and iron them. He got a job. In short, his future made him independent. So future is not always a bad thing, it teaches us something. Yes, so grabbing the opportunity, this is the most important thing, the grabbing the opportunity. Like when the Sith got that, he could have easily got a good opportunity, a position in his father's company, so that he can easily earn that. But he chose to intern with Mu- Mumbai Beats just to follow his interest. He grabbed the opportunity and eventually everything fell into place. Yes, when you grab the opportunity, definitely you will get. If you lose the opportunity, you always regret in your life. So follow your passion. The another thing in my mind, thinking in my mind when I watch that movie. Yes, the most important lesson. Wake Up Sid teaches us the should always follow our passion. Sid didn't know he was passionate about the photography at the beginning. He used to think about photos, but he never thought of the thinking taking it as a professional. So yes, but while he was still searching for the job, career opportunity or something, but you have to focus the what is your passion. He's just telling you about the what is your passion. So he kept taking photos, and which ultimately help him get a job or a photographer in a magazine. So yes, that is a very good opportunity. So always follow your passion. When you follow your passion, definitely success will helps you. And these are the learning from that movie. So I just personally say that about the movie, just follow your passion and the rest will be fall into place.